6 to 8 weeks before the last frost, start your marigold seeds indoors. Fill a seed tray with a well-draining potting mix. Plant the seeds very shallow, as they need light to germinate. Space them at least an inch apart. Then water the soil. Place the tray in a warm and sunny spot, with temperatures preferably between 21 and 24 degrees Celsius. The seed should germinate in anywhere from 4 days to 2 weeks. Once the last frost has passed, start to adjust your marigold seedlings to the outdoors. Then transplant them into the garden, or into a large pot. Transplant the seedlings, but not much deeper than the original container. Space them ideally, at least 20 centimeters apart. Then water. Marigolds prefer moist soils, but not overly soaking wet. Make sure you continue to give the plant direct sunlight, with at least 6 hours per day. While marigolds are known for repelling certain pests, they can face some themselves, such as aphids and spider mites. Inspecting and removing pests as soon as possible, along with keeping the plant healthy, is the best way to eliminate them. Avoid heavy fertilizing, as this can reduce the amount of flowers. Most of the marigold varieties should start to bloom within 2 to 3 months of sowing. If a flower has begun to die, remove it. This encourages more flowers to be produced by the plant.